Hey, Brian from Garage Wall Hall. I have an amazing product for you to check out, so let's go. Okay, so I have my Greenworks 80 volt Greenworks Pro 18-inch chainsaw. So let's take the safety bar off. And we are going to be replacing the chain, and we're going to be using a Bain Carbide. And this is an 18-inch chain, and it is a 3/8 pitch. It's got a 0.05-inch gauge on it, and then it has 62 drive links. So let's open this up, see what we get inside. So it comes in a nice little protective case, and you can tell that is nice. What a nice chain. Nice and oiled. And that's set up, ready to go. Let me just get it unknotted here. There we go. Okay, and so we're going to be looking for the cutting tooth to be this way on here. So put that down and out of the way for now. And then let's loosen up our bar on this so we can get the chain off and clean it. So I was just doing some cutting with this, and this chain has gone dull on me, so we're just going to put another chain on there, and you can see all the buildup that I have on there as well. And we'll just back off of this. Loosen that chain bar. Okay. So slip that bar right out. Slip this chain out like that. And again, make sure we got the teeth facing the right way on this. Alright, so we got this chain pretty well situated. Just grip it around there, nice and easy. We're going to line up our hole right there. Get that chain around the sprocket. And I think we're just about there. Get these to fit in there a little bit better. Okay, that's good. Now we'll tighten that down. Just make sure we got some slack and all the teeth are riding in there correctly. Alright, so let's put this back on. And we're going to clean out some of that built up sawdust and grime in there. Okay. Put that back on. Seems about right tension. I think we're going to just tighten that up a little bit more. A little bit. Okay, so it looks like about the right tension. Let's tighten these bolts down. Okay. All right, let's go test her out. All right. Let's roll this on the other side so we can make that complete cut.